Buongiorno. Just finished open mat jiu-jitsu. Yeah! I'll tell you what I worked on and I'll vlog the rest of the day. See ya. Here we got Sio Pao. Where's it from?
Philippines.
Very good. I went to the dentist and I got my teeth molded, so I got myself a nice mouth guard. Ah! Bro, I thought that was hot. I don't know why I thought that was hot. Okay, I'm gonna try it on. Ah! Bam! Anyway, so hello and bonjour. Today I have a back take for you. I get my first hook in. I'm gonna get my second hook in. I can go seatbelt grip. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rapid fire hip thrust like this. Here, here, here. And now they're completely flat. I can start looking to get my grip here for a choke. Or I can keep my hips extended here for MMA and bang, bang, lots of control. If she wants to roll out to side, I can give her the chance to roll and I'll switch to a body lock here and finish.